Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to boil an egg in an electric cooker. First, gather your essential items, your electric cooker, fresh eggs, and some water. Make sure your cooker is clean and ready for action. Also, prepare a bowl of ice water. This will be crucial for stopping the cooking process later and ensuring easy peeling. We'll cover everything from setup to enjoying perfectly boiled eggs. Now, let's set up your cooker. Carefully place your eggs onto the steaming rack or basket inside the cooker. Be gentle to avoid cracking them. Next, pour about 1 cup of water into the bottom of the cooker. It is important that the water level remains below the eggs as we are steaming them, not submerging them in boiling water. This method ensures even cooking. The cooking time determines your egg's doneness. For a delightful soft-boiled egg with a runny yolk, cook for 6 minutes. If you prefer a medium-boiled egg with a firm white and creamy yolk, set your timer for 10 minutes. For a classic hard-boiled egg with a completely solid yolk, allow 15 minutes. These times are approximate and may vary slightly by cooker model. Once your eggs are cooked to perfection, it is crucial to stop the cooking process immediately. Transfer them from the hot cooker directly into the prepared ice bath. Let them cool for at least 5 minutes. This helps prevent a green ring around the yolk. For easy peeling, gently tap and roll each egg on a hard surface to crack the shell, then peel under cool running water.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.